These are the laws I'd have if I was the president. Number 1, no school on Monday. A 2-day weekend is way too short, and if we want students to actually be able to mentally recover after a long week, they should have 3 days off. Then when they go back to school on Tuesday, phones are unbanned.
Snacks are allowed in class.
And the school dress code is completely removed. And to save the rest of the country, I'd also ban anyone over the age of 60 from being in the government. If you don't understand how the internet works, then you shouldn't be able to ban TikTok. I'd also make Wi-Fi and healthcare completely free. If you're gonna make both of these things practically essential for living,
Then it shouldn't cost anything.
also, to stop world wars from ever happening again, I would become best friends with every world leader and host weekly movie nights with them for some extra bonding. And to help save the future of humanity, I'd ban steal a brain rot,
Force Roblox to unban Schlep.
and remove every single inappropriate game on Roblox. If you'd vote for me as president, subscribe.